Hey everyone, welcome back to our CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we will going to learn about how to add shadow in text and boxes. It's a very simple process. First, what you have to do, you need to come over into your body section, and then into the body section you can simply type over here h1 tag. Into the h1 tag you can simply type over here add shadow, and after you can simply type over here div tag. Into the div tag you can simply create an ID, and into the ID you can simply give a name like p1 I am going to give, and then you can simply come over into a style.css, and into the style.css you can simply type over here h1 and give the curly brackets. To the curly brackets you can simply add text shadow, and into the text shadow first we have to give 3 pixel for the horizontal line, then give 3 pixel for the vertical line, and then give for the 5 pixel for the blur. And if we just save it, and now if we refresh it, as we can see we added the blur into this text. If we just remove this and save it, as we can see so we only added the text but didn't added the shadow. So for the shadow we can simply give this h1 curly brackets text shadow for the 3 pixel for horizontal, 3 pixel for vertical, and 5 pixel for blur. We can also add a color. If we add a red, if we save it, and now if we refresh it, as you can see we added the background color red into this text shadow. And now we're going to add the shadow for the box. For that we need to click p1. First one you need to add the hash and the p1, and then you need to add the curly brackets. Into the curly brackets you can set the width for 100 px, and you can simply add the height to 100 pixel, and then you can add the background color to red. We can save it, and now if you refresh it, as you can see we added the box, and now we're going to give the shadow. For giving the shadow we need to type over here box shadow, and into the box shadow we can simply type 3 pixel for vertical line, 3 pixel for horizontal line, and the 5 pixel for blur, and we can add a color called blue. Then you can save it, and now if we refresh it, as we can see we added the blur and the shadow into this box. So this is how we can simply add shadow in any CSS HTML file by using CSS. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.